renewable energy is key. Here we have an example solar installation. On the roof of the Planet Navitas home, we have some solar panels. That low voltage DC power comes down. In the left-hand side, we've got a DC optimizer, which will be using low voltage gallium nitride into a high power string inverter. In this example, Kartech is a German company. This will be a 4.6 kilowatt unit. And inside, we have our GeneSiC 1200 volt silicon carbide MOSFETs to convert low voltage DC into AC power. Alternatively, we would have a DC feed coming down into this micro inverter. This would be one per panel, in this case Enphase. Enphase have said that their next generation will be gallium nitride technology. Again, going low voltage DC to AC. This is a gateway. This unit has the chance for auxiliary power supplies using the GeneSiC silicon carbide MOSFETs. This is like a traffic cop directing power, maybe from the AC mains to the battery backup, from the solar panels to the battery, or from the battery coming back out into the home. In this case, we see the battery backup itself. We would have AC power coming in, AC DC converter to charge the batteries. But of course we have to get back out. So this is actually a bi-directional coming back from DC back to AC to provide the power for the system. This is a power bank setup for a home. We could also use our car, our electric vehicle, as a secondary backup battery in case the AC mains failed.